Hello everyone and welcome to this Java tutorial. Today I will be teaching you how to generate random numbers in Java. Let's begin. Here I have set up two things for you guys. In this line I am making a class and in this line I am declaring the main method. The next thing we need to do is create a variable that will store the value of the random number generated by the computer. To do that, write int the number semicolon. There are two ways you can assign a value to this variable. The first way is putting an equal signs and assigning a value, or you could go to the next line and say the number equal. General formula to declare a random number in Java goes as follows: parentheses math dot random open parentheses close parentheses multiplied by the maximum number minus the minimum number plus 1. I want to generate a number between 10 and 1. My maximum is 10, minimum is 1. So I subtract that, I get 9 and I plus 1. So that's 10. I write 10. To this, I add my minimum value. So minimum here is 1. And then I close parenthesis and semicolon. Another important thing we have to do here is make this random number an integer because the number variable is an integer. To do that, write integer in parentheses. This statement here only generates a random number. We need to output this. To do that, write system.out.print parentheses the number close parentheses semicolon. Compile your program and save it. Now when you run your program, there should be a random number between 10 and 1 every single time.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and help me reach 100 subscribers on this channel. Also, don't forget to hit the like button as I want to reach 100 likes.